Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be a review. This wig literally got delivered 20 minutes ago. And I was like, oh, let's turn the camera on. Let me go vlog. This isn't a vlog. This is going to be a separated, dedicated video on a unit that I saw online and I knew that I had to have it. So thank you, LUVEME, for sponsoring today's video. I know my obsession with LUVEME. I absolutely love the wigs that I've gotten from them. The quality, the lace, the prices, it's all good. They've sent me wigs. I've purchased wigs on my own. I'm just kind of like addicted at this point. And all of them have been consistently good. So, oh, I got a comb this time. This is how you know how many times I've ordered from them, because I got a comb. I've gotten, I don't know, 6 of these clips and you get 1 each time. And then I also have a wig band. I love, it's the marketing, the purple marketing for me. Great job, LUVEME. So in your box, you get your wig, get your satin bag to keep it in. This is, I use these bags to keep all of my wigs in. It does come with a label if you want to label it. You get, oh, this is a different. I got a duck clip this time, a clip, and then you get an edge, brush, and again, it's the marketing for me. Can you see that where it says LUVEME on the actual brush? Love that. You get a wig cap, but I never use this one because it's always too light for me. So let's get into this unit. It's already curled. Great. Oh, I am so excited about this wig, y'all. I did get her in 18. Look at that. Ah, I did get her in 18 inches. I'm gonna tell you guys real quick what I got. Breathable Cap Loose Wave 5x5 closure lace glueless human hair long wig with cute bangs. It's already face framing. I got the color natural black, and okay, so I did not get my lace pre-cut. So the lace is on here with the bangs, which isn't a big deal. I think the bangs wigs are so cute, especially for the wintertime. The curls are just curling for me. All right, let me get off of the curls. Again, I did get a breathable cap, so you do have all of this space here. If you need to scratch your scalp, get to it, you get air gets to the back of it. You do have 3 combs, 1 on each side and in the back. All right, so let's go ahead and try her on. I already have a wig cap on, so it's gonna be easy, just flop on and go. Typically all of my hair under here is always just either flat twisted back, or like right now I literally have it in 4 little twists and then pull to the back. And this is the shade of wig caps that I like to use, but it doesn't really matter because this is a wear and go wig. Oh, and I forgot to tell you guys that they do have these the strap inside there that is adjustable, but it is sewn, but you can always cut it out if you don't like the cap. I like the cap because it gives my hair security. I do have a big head, and I've never had an issue of any of LUVEME wigs or units not fitting my head. So all the big head girls out there, they got wigs for us, girl. All right, you're gonna put the strap on first, like so, like that, just so you know. And then you're gonna take the bottom of the cap here, where the comb is, hold down the front, and pull it down. Oh, let me see. Hold down this front and pull this down. Yes, there we go. To get it on to the head. Now these curls are gonna be tight, just because I can tell how they curled it. And then I'm gonna pull the sides down. All right. Now I'm gonna have to clip the bang out the way so that I can cut the lace off. I usually like them to do that, but it's okay because I'm gonna show you how to do it. I want to say it's like an extra $5 fee to get the lace pre-trimmed, but it's really not that big of a deal. Like, it's not a hassle. So I'm going to just take some small scissors and just cut the lace. It literally takes me, what, 20 seconds? Making sure that you get close to the hairline, but not cutting the actual hair. And just go all the way across. And what was that, 10 seconds? 10 seconds. Now I'm not gonna worry about the lace being so light because, again, let me put my flat iron on because I will have to do a little bit of work with this. Only because of how it came. And I know what kind of look I want. Oh, I don't have any long bang wigs. I'm so excited. Oh, I can't wait to curl her. So we're going to go ahead and do a little shaping to her. So this is how she comes out of the pack. when you get her, of course, we would never go out the house like that. I'm gonna go ahead and finger detangle these curls, and I'm getting very minimum shedding just from the finger detangling. We want to do some work on this wig. All right, now I'm ready. We're gonna go ahead and use the flat iron. Oh, it's the curtain bangs. I love them. Y'all, this wig, listen, Linda, I love her. She looks really good and looks very natural, like, and I love, now I did pull the wig cap back a bit because got hair, hold on, wig cap back instead of cutting my bangs, because if I want like my wigs just to be a long bang, then I can wear it like this. Another wig from LUVEME hair that was a short bob with bangs, and I got so many compliments on it. I talked about it in the vlog, and a lot of y'all liked it. A lot of y'all liked it. A couple of y'all, of course. It wasn't a unanimous yay question if I asked about like keeping it, which I was outside of the return window, which LUVEME does accept returns if just in case you get it and you absolutely hate it, they do returns. But that one I was outside of my return window. And this wig gets a 15 out of 10. I really like it. I really wanted a long wig with bangs. And I looked, and LUVEME said, look no further. I got you, boo. If you want a short wig, you can get it. I'll pop up a picture up here of me with my short wig. If you want a long wig, I got it. You want a colored long wig, I got it. LUVEME has it all. So I like this wig. Tell me down below what you guys think. Now the girl on the show, the mannequin, she had it kind of like this, I think. So I try to recreate the picture on the site, which was kind of like this. And this kind of eats too, though. This kind of eats too. Let me see. Let me pull it up. Make sure I ate it. Well, no, it was just a little bit. It was a little bit more this. Yeah. Is that it? She had a little bit more like that. Oh, yes. Yes. She's a yes. Let me stand up and show you guys from afar what she looks like. Probably should have put on a different color shirt so you guys could see it a little bit more better. But I like her. I think it's the perfect winter wig. Like, she looks good. And I can't wait to do some try-ons with this. Yes, and it's giving the full 18 inches too. Yo, I'm over here staring at myself because I love it. And because I got a big forehead, I'm part of the big forehead committee. This wig covers it and it looks good. She look good. So I'll have this link down below. Any coupon codes that they do give me will be linked down below. Thank you, LUVEME, for working with me once again. Thank you for spinning around the block once again. And I told you for the first collab that we were going to be working again together. And we've done it a couple times since then. So I look forward to the next one. You did deliver, and I am quite happy. If you guys enjoyed this video, please be sure to give me a huge thumbs up. Most of all, check the description box down below for all of the specs on this wig, the direct link to this wig, any discount codes, and to go to LUVEME websites. If you're not into the black hair, they have every color that you can think of, from red to blonde to honey blonde to layer cut to long. LUVEME has it all, and I'm telling you guys, I have never been disappointed with any of the units that I have brought. The quality of the units are there. The thickness of the units are there. When I wash them, my lace still looks good. The hair does not shed. It's good. I like it. I love it. I love it a lot. And that's it. Be sure to subscribe to my channel on your way out, and I'll check you guys out in my next video. Bye.